Hey, what are you three birds doing on this traffic light? Go to your nest, understood. The heavy rain and storm destroyed our nest.
We went to a house for help, but they shut the door.
No one helped us.
Then we saw these lights, and since then, the three of us sisters have been living here.
Come, now all of you stay at my house. I will make a new nest for you.
Listen, son, here's an egg. I'm leaving.
Who was that man who gave me an egg and left? Dad, an old man came. He gave me an egg and quietly left. Do you know who he was?
They were your grandfather from the village. When you were little, he loved you very much. He used to sing songs for you, dance, and you always stayed with him. You used to play with him all day.